Welcome to flight. Setting up your new modem is quick and simple. Let's walk through it together. Inside the box, you'll find your flight modem, Ethernet cables, and antennas. Connect your antennas to the modem and plug the modem into a power source alongside your monitoring equipment. Now that your modem is powered on, use the QR code to activate and register it with your account. Once registered, your modem will automatically begin transmitting data. You can call our customer success team via the number on the modem to verify everything is set up and answer any questions you have in real time. You can use the provided Ethernet cable to plug your modem into the controller. Now you're fully up and running with reliable, real-time visibility into your operations. With flight, staying connected has never been easier. If you ever need support, our team is always here to help.